Morning, everyone. It's 8:46 on Thursday, and because it's Thursday, it's Claims Day. This is your pre-opening comment video number 1571. Okay, claims up 4,000 to 230,000. That's neither here nor there. However, continuing claims are 1.67 million, and that's up from 1.3 recently. So. Um, there may be less initial claims, but people are staying longer. Also, want to mention that the 2 to 10, um, the inverted yield is up to a negative 82. And I just cannot imagine how some of these people say, oh, well, maybe there'll be a recession, maybe there won't. Okay, interesting. SBF, Sam Bakeman Fried, is possibly going to be investigated for market manipulation. I don't know how that one comes about, but it'll be interesting to follow. And, under the heading of Isn't Karma a Bitch? Kevin O'Leary, that miserable, self ingratiating jackass, was also a spokesman for FTX. And it looks like it's going to cost him about 15 million. And the reason that he said he went into this deal as an investor and a spokesperson was, well, Sam's an American and his parents are American. And so, this was the only American exchange. I don't know if that's true or not, but you know what, Kevin? Screw you. Okay, CVX, Chevron, increasing capital spending by 25%. That's pretty decent. And based on the earnings for ExxonMobil, they're issuing about a 9% raise for uh, employees. GME missed top line, bottom line. The stock closed yesterday 22.26. That was down $1.13. And this morning, it's down literally pennies. But looking back at it, um, you know, a year ago it was 63, or a little over a year ago, October of 21, it was 63. In August, it was 48. And last month it was 35. So I'm going to say that down three quarters is probably enough for that, at least in the market's mind. Google mixing, consolidating their maps software with Waze that they also own. Rent the Runway, another one of those ideas that seemed great when money didn't cost anything, actually reported a big beat, both top and bottom line. And the stock, which Dana Telsey downgraded from an $8 look down to a $4 expectation, was 25 when they did the deal. It's now $1.56, up 20 cents. And Sienna, I want to mention this one only because it's such a widely known company. It actually beat earnings. Yesterday it was 43.24, down $1.09, and today it's up $7.17 to 50.41. What I want to remind people is that about 5 or 6 years ago, this was considered to be an absolute core holding. But in 2006, they reverse split it, 1 for 7. So the current stock at $50 up 7, really is working against an adjusted high of 1,075 and a real high of 154. So, yes, it has come a long way. You know, just when you do your due diligence and you want to see where it's been, that's where it's been. Okay, before the numbers came out, we were up 103 in the Dow, 42 in the Nasdaq, 15 in the S&P. Right after the numbers were released, we went from up 103 to up 115, 64, and 20. Now we're up 138. We have been up about 175. Nasdaq is up about was 64, now up about 80, and the S&P, which got up about 26, is right back to 22. So pretty interesting day. Our trade in the nat gas is working nicely. The dollar is, let's see, dollar is down just 6 cents, and bonds have given back 30 seconds, or basically a point, of yesterday's point and a half gain. Gold is up, and the oil, as you know, we've pointed out over and over and over again, 70 to 72 is a great area of support. It got down there yesterday with a low of, I think, well, it closed 72.01, so a pretty ugly low. And this morning is up $3.07 at 75.10. All right, everyone, have a good day. I'll be back later. Oh, and 10:30, EIA nat gas inventories gets released. So we'll see what happens with it at that point. Have a good one. Keep position size